You can make vegan mac and cheese with any of your favorite cheeses, but today we're making it with smoked Gouda, Parmesan, pepper jack, feta. We got flax milk, some butter, almond flour, and some protein pasta. Nutritional yeast. Boom. Step 1, add pasta. Now we have to make the cheese sauce, so we have to make the roux. Melt the butter completely. Then you add your almond flour. You're gonna get like a thick, creamy paste. Let this just cook for 3 to 5 minutes on like a medium to medium high heat. So the roux is gonna darken. It's also gonna bubble. Step 3, milk. So the amount of milk that you add depends on how creamy you want the sauce to be. The more milk, the thinner the sauce. You're gonna want to let this cook for about 5 minutes and just keep occasionally stirring it. The longer you let it cook, the thicker the sauce will be. Add any cheese you like, as much cheese as you want. So I'm adding some Parmesan cheese. I'm at a slice of smoked Gouda. There's nothing quite like the way the cheese slaps the top of the sauce, you know what I'm saying? I like to be able to really, really absorb the sound that this gives off here. So there's 1 slice of pepper jack.
And then the feta.
Oh yeah, we're getting the fats flowing now. Dude, so you scoop some on to the spoon, throw it in there. Like I said, as much of however many cheeses you want in your life in the sauce. There's no restrictions as long as there's no animal products in it. You're good, man. What do we got next?
That's it, babe. You just gotta stir it up. Oh, no, wait. I'm just kidding. Nutritional yeast.
Nutritional yeast. That's the special one. There's always got to be a special one.
Just a little. That's it.
Whoa,
that's
whoa.
it. Wow.
Hey, man,
Oh, you put a lot of nutritional yeast.
Well, you didn't even film me pouring it in. Step 5. Nutritional yeast. Add the cheese to the noodle. This is why I filmed this whole video. Let's go. Macaroni ASMR. So the box said like 4 servings, so I'm gonna eat this whole thing and then take a nap. So if you like this video, we got the best one for you right here, the most recent one right here, or you could subscribe right above Fetty's face, or on Fetty's face.
Above my face.
Pose, pose,
Pause.
pose, pose, pose.
Got 1 pose.
You got 1 pose.